Yeah, I'm Mark Rancy. I'm from Lake Stevens, Washington. Probably like 24, 25. Probably bought a bunch of Rogaine, and Rogaine you have to do like what 2-3 times a day, and I think I did it like 1 time a week. Didn't really work out, but after that I definitely started seeing some videos on Facebook, and then Googled some salons just to look really good. You know what I mean? Like really good. Get a good system. Heard a lot of great things about Jean Renau, so super excited for the product. I absolutely love it. It's a pretty cool experience, and really love the color and just the overall feel of it. My family and friends definitely know, my coworkers know, so I'm completely open. I just love that more and more people are like coming out and being more open about it, which I think would really help more people kind of make that decision, because it can be an emotional decision to do something or to not do something and to do something. So definitely I would recommend it for anybody. The fade, obviously got a beard going on right now, from Seattle. I think it's mandatory to have a beard in Seattle. And I love the hairline. I mean, we used some cream and some basic texture hairspray, but I mean, I think it's just fun to play with, Yeah, love it. So I totally love the cut. I'm a big fade guy with the beard. I think it really goes well. Love the color and love just how soft it is. Kind of mess it up a little bit, have some fun with it.